Hey everyone, let's dive into the remarkable financial performance of Hindustan Aeronautics Ltd, or HAL, for the fiscal year ending March 2024. Imagine this. HAL's net profits soared by an astonishing 52% in just this quarter. That's a jump to Rs4 308 crore from Rs2 831.2 crore in the previous year. Now that's what I call flying high. But wait, it gets even better. During the trading day following the announcement, HAL's stock price skyrocketed, hitting an all-time high with an 8% leap in its value. For those of you who've been tracking, HAL has been nothing short of a multibagger stock over the last few years, delivering incredible returns. So what's driving this financial juggernaut? Two words: robust demand and operational efficiency. HAL isn't just about manufacturing aircraft, it's about enhancing India's defense capabilities. And with orders like the 97 LCA Mark 1A fighter jets, it's clear they are on a strategic expansion spree. Let's break down the numbers a bit. This fiscal year alone, HAL's revenue from operations rose by 18%, and EBITDA saw a significant jump thanks to improved gross margins and reduced employee costs. Not to mention, the absence of large impairment losses gave their financials a nice boost. Now, despite these stellar numbers, some analysts are advising to hold on buying more HAL stock. Why, you ask? Because the market sometimes prices in these growth expectations. It's always crucial to consider whether there's still room for upward movement or if the best growth phases might be behind. But here's the takeaway for all the finance enthusiasts out there. HAL's performance is a textbook example of how operational excellence, coupled with strategic foresight, can lead to remarkable financial outcomes. Whether you're an investor or just someone interested in finance, these are the kinds of metrics and strategies you should be looking out for. So, what do you think? Is HAL a stock you would consider for your portfolio, or are you cautious about hopping onto what might be a peaking wave? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more financial insights. Until next time, keep analyzing and stay smart with your investments.